Hi guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to change SoundCloud profile picture. You need to go to SoundCloud site. I am here now on the home page, and then you can see the nickname and here the arrow. I click here and then I click on profile. Then I click edit. Here is the information because I didn't fill out all the information. You can here write first name, last name, or you can change it. But right now, just I wanted to change the profile picture. Just I will click here, update image, and then I will choose the image. And then click save. Yeah, it's already changed here. And for the cover photo, it's the same. Just click here, replace image. It doesn't look nice picture, but just I choose it randomly and then save. Okay, it's already changed it now. Yeah, this is what you need to do. If you find this video helpful, please click like and subscribe in the channel if you are not subscriber yet. And if you have any question or idea or suggestion, just you can leave them in the comment section below. Thank you and see you.